Knee pain, some details. Hi guys, welcome to ReBalance. I'm Dr. Lipnitsky, and today's video, you guessed it right, is about the knee. In particular, the pain in the knee associated with running. This particular pain associated with people that are enjoying active lifestyle, running, cycling, playing tennis, or any other active sport. We're going to discuss how this problem comes about and what needs to be done to get rid of this once and for all. This knee pain during running, often called runner's knee. Among doctors, it's called Chondromalacia Patella. So let me go into some details, trying to explain in a simple way what the Chondromalacia Patella or runner's knee actually is. Chondromalacia Patella or runner's knee is one of the repetitive injury conditions. It comes about when the dominant musculature on the lateral aspect of your thigh starts pulling your kneecap or patella sideways as your knee flexes. So instead of sitting inside of this little ditch where the patella glides up and down, it starts gliding up and creating a friction on the cartilage right above the condyle here. So as this happens, we start breaking some of the parts of the cartilage and develop almost like a sandpaper, a scar tissue. One of the main group of people that develop this problem are people that have sitting jobs. Prolonged sitting will cause certain group of muscles to be shortened, like for example hip flexors. As we sit, the hip flexor is very short, and certain group of muscles to be elongated and inactive, like our gluteal muscles, our buttocks muscles that's supposed to propel us as we run, they're extending our hip. Therefore, when we start running, we often have muscles dominance, the ones that are shortened and already tight, they're gonna be dominating the run, therefore creating a dysfunction and a compensation and developing this particular condition. Well, Shaku is one of the best tools to treat not only runner's knee, but also many other repetitive injury syndromes. It achieves something that no other tools or modality can do. It completely disintegrates the scar tissue. By disintegrating the scar tissue and stimulating the production of the new healthy cells, it returns your soft tissue, your tendons, your ligaments, and your muscles into its normal physiological function. As a specialist in manual therapy, I spent over 20 years traveling all over the country and all over the world studying a variety of manual therapy techniques. In my opinion, one of the most effective techniques and the technique that majority of the patients respond the quickest to is trigenics. As you can see, the amazing effect of trigenics is not only that we can use it to break the scar tissue and free the muscle from its entrapments, but also stimulate muscles that are inactive and reconnected neurologically to the brain, therefore return them to its original function.